Hello and welcome. I'm so happy you are here today. Before we begin, I want you to remember one important thing. You do not need perfect English to become a confident English speaker. You only need to practice a little every day. Today, we are going to learn English in a simple and enjoyable way. We will listen, speak, and repeat together. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every sentence you say makes you stronger. Every word you repeat helps your brain remember English more naturally. Take a slow, comfortable breath and relax. Smile if you can. A relaxed mind learns faster. Now, let's begin our English journey together. When you hear a sentence, listen carefully. Then repeat it with confidence. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Your goal is not to speak fast. Your goal is to speak naturally. Repeat after me. Hello, hello, everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon, good evening. How are you today? I am fine. I feel happy. I feel excited. I am ready to learn. Very good. Once again, I am ready. I am confident. I can do this. I learn English every day. English is becoming easier for me. Excellent. You are doing great already. Now imagine that you wake up on a beautiful morning. The sun is shining. The air feels fresh. It is a perfect day to practice English. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I smile. It is a beautiful morning. I feel fresh. I feel energetic. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I open the window. Fresh air comes into my room. The birds are singing. The weather is nice. I feel thankful for today. Wonderful. Let's continue. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. Today will be a good day. I believe in myself. I can learn English. Very nice. Now our little story begins. One morning, I decided to visit a small park near my home. It was quiet and peaceful. The trees were green and the flowers looked beautiful. I wanted to enjoy the fresh air and practice English at the same time. Repeat after me. I walk to the park. The park is nearby. The weather is perfect. The sky is blue. The birds are flying. Children are playing. People are smiling. Everything looks beautiful. As I entered the park, I saw a friendly young woman sitting on a bench. She was reading a book. She looked happy and relaxed. I smiled and she smiled back. Repeat after me. I see a woman. She is reading a book. She looks friendly. She smiles at me. I smile back. We say hello. We start talking. Good job. Our conversation was simple. Simple conversations are the best way to improve your English. Repeat after me. Hello, nice to meet you. How are you? I am doing well. What is your name? My name is Emma. It is nice to meet you, Emma. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from this city. I like this park. It is peaceful here. Excellent. Emma told me she comes to the park every morning because she enjoys reading and listening to birds. She said, the park helps her relax before work. Repeat after me. I come here every morning. I enjoy reading. I enjoy nature. I like listening to birds. This place is peaceful. I feel calm here. I love this park. Very good. Now let's make the conversation a little longer. Repeat after me. Do you come here every day? Yes, I do. What do you usually do here? I read books. I drink coffee. I walk slowly. I enjoy the fresh air. That sounds wonderful. Thank you. You are welcome. Excellent work. Emma asked me an interesting question. She asked, why are you learning English? Think about your answer. Now repeat after me. I am learning English because I want more opportunities. I want to travel. I want to meet new people. I want to understand movies. I want to speak confidently. I enjoy learning languages. I practice every day. I never give up. Beautiful. Remember, repeating these sentences again and again will help you think in English instead of translating every word. Now Emma smiled and said, "That is a wonderful goal. Repeat after me." Thank you for your kind words. That means a lot to me. I appreciate your encouragement. I will keep practicing. I will improve every day. Little by little, step by step, day by day. My English is getting better. Fantastic. After talking for a while, we decided to walk around the park together. Repeat after me. Let's go for a walk. That is a great idea. Let's walk together. The flowers smell nice, the trees are tall, the grass is green, the air feels cool. I enjoy this moment. Life is beautiful. Very nice. As we walked, we saw a small brown dog running happily across the grass. The dog stopped near us and wagged its tail. Repeat after me. Look at the dog. The dog is cute. The dog looks happy. The dog is friendly. I like dogs. The dog is playing. The dog is running fast. The dog wants to play. Very good. A little boy came running toward the dog. He laughed and picked up a bright red ball. Repeat after me. The boy is smiling. He is happy. He throws the ball. The dog runs after it. The dog brings it back. Everyone is laughing. It is a joyful moment. Wonderful. Sometimes learning English should feel like this. Simple, happy, relaxing. You do not need difficult words every day. Small sentences create big progress. Repeat after me. Simple English is powerful. Practice makes progress. I speak a little every day. I am improving. I believe in myself. I enjoy learning. English is becoming natural for me. Excellent. Now let's review some useful expressions. Repeat after me. How was your day? My day was great. What are you doing? I am taking a walk. Would you like some coffee? Yes, please. No, thank you. That sounds good. I agree, I understand. Could you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Take care. Fantastic job today. You have already spoken many useful English sentences. Every sentence you repeat is building your confidence. Every minute you practice brings you closer to speaking naturally. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. Our little story is only beginning, and in the next part, our walk through the park will continue with more conversations, more useful vocabulary, and many more daily English expressions that you can use in real life. Until then, remember these simple words. I can learn English. I can speak English. I will never give up. As we continued walking through the park, we noticed a small cafe near the lake. The smell of fresh coffee and warm bread filled the air. Emma smiled and said it was her favorite place to relax after reading. I thought it sounded like a wonderful idea, so we decided to go inside together. Repeat after me. Let's go to the cafe. I like this place. It looks cozy. The coffee smells good. The food looks delicious. I would like a cup of coffee. I would like some tea. Let's sit by the window. The view is beautiful. I feel comfortable here. We found a quiet table and sat down. A friendly waiter walked over with a smile. Repeat after me. Hello, good morning. May I take your order? Yes, please. I would like a coffee. I would like a cup of tea. I would like a sandwich. That will be all. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excellent. Now say the sentences one more time with confidence. I would like a coffee. I would like a sandwich. Thank you very much. You're welcome. While we waited for our food, we looked out of the window. The lake was calm, and a few ducks were swimming slowly across the water. It was peaceful, and everyone seemed relaxed. Repeat after me. The lake is calm. The ducks are swimming. The water is clear. The weather is lovely. I enjoy quiet places. This is a peaceful morning. I feel happy. I feel relaxed. Emma looked at me and asked another simple question. What do you like to do in your free time? Think about your own answer, then repeat after me. I like reading books. I like watching movies. I like listening to music. I like learning English. I like walking in the park. I like spending time with my family. I like meeting friends. I enjoy simple things. Wonderful. Every answer helps you become a more confident speaker. Our drinks arrived, and we thanked the waiter with a smile. Repeat after me. Here is your coffee. Thank you. It smells wonderful. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Everything looks delicious. This tastes great. I really like it. As we talked, I realized something important. Speaking English does not mean using difficult words. It means sharing simple ideas clearly. That is how confidence grows. Repeat after me. I don't need perfect English. I only need practice. I speak one sentence at a time. Every day I improve. I am becoming more confident. I enjoy speaking English. I am proud of myself. Before leaving the cafe, we stood up, smiled, and thanked everyone. Repeat after me. It was nice meeting you. I had a great time. Thank you for your company. Let's meet again soon. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care. As we walked back into the sunshine, I felt happy because I had practiced English in a real-life situation. You can do the same. Speak a little every day. Repeat every sentence with confidence. The more you practice, the more natural English will become. Remember, every small conversation is another step toward fluency, and your journey is just getting started. We left the cafe with warm smiles and continued our walk along the path beside the lake. The sun was a little brighter now, and more people had arrived at the park. Some were jogging, some were riding bicycles, and others were simply enjoying the fresh morning air. It felt like a wonderful place to practice English, because there were so many things to see and talk about. Repeat after me. The park is getting busy. Many people are here. Some people are jogging. Some people are riding bicycles. Everyone looks happy. The weather is perfect. I enjoy being outside. It is a beautiful day. As we walked, we passed a small flower garden. The flowers were colorful and full of life. We stopped for a moment to admire them. Repeat after me. These flowers are beautiful. I like the red flowers. The yellow flowers are bright. The garden looks amazing. Nature is wonderful. I love this view. Let's take a picture. Smile. Great job. Now say those sentences again with a clear voice. These flowers are beautiful. The garden looks amazing. I love this view. Very nice. A few minutes later, we saw a small market near the entrance of the park. People were buying fruit, vegetables, and fresh juice. Emma suggested that we look around for a few minutes. Repeat after me. Let's visit the market. I need some apples. These oranges look fresh. How much is this? It is $5. That is a good price. I would like to buy it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Excellent. These are useful expressions that you can use while shopping anywhere in the world. As we continued walking, Emma asked me another question. What is your favorite season? Take a moment to think, then repeat after me. My favorite season is spring. I like summer. I enjoy autumn. Winter is beautiful. Every season is special. I like sunny days. I enjoy rainy days. The weather changes every day. Wonderful. Then I asked Emma, what are your plans for tomorrow? She smiled and answered, repeat after me. Tomorrow I will study. Tomorrow I will work. Tomorrow I will visit my family. Tomorrow I will exercise. Tomorrow I will practice English. I have many plans. I am excited for tomorrow. Every new day is a new opportunity. Very good. As the afternoon became warmer, we found another bench and sat down for a few minutes. We watched people laughing, talking, and enjoying their day. It reminded me that language is about connecting with others. You don't need perfect words. You just need the courage to speak. Repeat after me. I am not afraid to speak. I learn from my mistakes. Every mistake teaches me something. I am getting better every day. I speak with confidence. I believe in myself. I will never stop learning. English is becoming part of my life. Now let's finish today's practice with some powerful daily affirmations. Listen carefully, then repeat each sentence with energy and confidence. I enjoy learning English. I practice every day. I speak clearly. I listen carefully. I learn new words every day. I understand more and more. I speak without fear. I am patient with myself. I trust the learning process. My confidence is growing. My pronunciation is improving. I am becoming a fluent English speaker. Keep these sentences in your heart and repeat them every day. The more you listen, the more you understand. The more you repeat, the more naturally you speak. One conversation becomes two. Two conversations become 10. Little by little, your confidence grows. And one day you will realize that you are thinking and speaking in English without fear. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember that every great English speaker once started with simple words, just like you are doing today.